Good afternoon, madam, my dear friends. Myself, Archana, I am from Biochemistry second year. Today, my topic is about applications of cloning in agriculture. So, the contents: gene addition, gene subtraction, problems in genetically modified crops. So, the first cloning in agriculture was discovered by J.B.S. Hallman. Was first to introduce the idea of cloning. It is used in 20th century. Human has constantly searched for improved varieties for their crop plants, better nutritional qualities, higher yields. Gene cloning provides a gene dimensions to crop breeding, enabling directed chains to be made group. So, two general strategies. Gene addition. Cloning is used to alter characteristics of plant by providing the one of new gene structures. So, gene addition approach. Gene addition. Use of cloning techniques to introduce into the plant one or more new genes cloning for useful characteristics that plant lacks. Good example is the development of plants that resist insect attacks by synthesizing insecticides coded by cloned genes. A number of projects are being characterized out around the world. So, the plants that make their own insecticides. These insecticides are most conventional insecticides. For example, pyrethroids, relatively non-specific poisonous that kill a broad spectrum of insects. High toxicity, some have the potentially harmful side effects for other members of local biosphere. Substitute movement of them in ecosystem cannot be controlled. The endotoxins of bacillus is that the bacillus is that intercellular crystallized bodies contains in intersexual proteins, highly poisonous of insects, more toxic than relatively species. So, the applications in cloning in agriculture, they have used the steps. They include the four steps that are cloning, choice of host organism and cloning vector, preparation of vector DNA, and the preparation of DNA to be cloned. Another step is the creation of DNA with recombinant DNA. So, last and least step is that introduce the DNA into the host organisms, selection of organisms, so vector sequences. So, these major steps are used in applications of cloning. So, the farmers are more interested to do these steps that includes in the cloning. So, this major step was introduced the J.B.S. Hallman. He was a major, he thanked her, he gave the idea of cloning. So, these cloning had kept in majorly and used in 20th century. So, gene addition approach. So, gene addition means the gene addition itself indicates the use of cloning techniques to introduce into the plant one or more new genes, coding for a usual characteristics into the plant lacks. Development of plants that resist insects attack by synthesizing the insecticides coded by cloned genes. Means itself they are indicating that the plant that are introduced into the new genes. Most conventional insecticides sequence movements of them. Intercellular relatively specific. Different strains of bacterium synthesis proteins effectively against larvae of different groups of insects. Relatively the mode of action. A major pest European cool first attempt of entering these parts by engineering mice. Cried protein in amino acid inlet. Toxic activity resides in the 29 to 607 amino acids. It is in the 1933rd century it was being used. So, introduction to be mice embryos. Version containing the first in this they are they are used in agriculture. Artificial gene synthesis. So they are used artificial genes also by introducing in the mice embryos. So rather than the isolating the natural gene, a shorter version of containing the first 684 codons were made by them. So by that producer used to obtain GM mice. So by that we have, by the genes we have used immunological tests, amount of endotoxin varies from about 250 mg to 750 mg. Difference due to the position effect. Means in endotoxin gene of mice, they are using these techniques. In tobacco gene about the toxically spectrum two-winged fly as well as lepidopterans. So these techniques are used to improve the techniques. So this